Lori's not here. Aha. Ani Bojo Knuya. Vigwachwandam Gibjaya Kwankian Shnabakation gives so Missanagani. Nishnabam Kimanan. Bigashmnoyayak. I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining us here this evening. Special thanks to Bernice and Marcus for joining us this evening to review these phrases from our annual calendar. Thanks to everybody else for joining us. Ali Darne and Dishnagas, Kitigan Sibian de Bandalgos, Nishnabamwani Nigan Sikanang, Anishinabek Nation Doljanaki. I'm Ali Darnay from Garden River First Nation. I'm the Anishinaabe manager here at the Anishinaabe Nation. The Anishinaabe Department was launched in January of 2023 to support language preservation, reclamation, and revitalization. We also support Barbara Nolan, the Anishinaabe Inigon Woodode, and the Enki Majikwi Abzi Tong Anishinaabe Committee. I'm Gitchinendum to be joining you this evening. Usually, I would also be giving a shout out to my colleague, Lori McLeod Shabagishik. Unfortunately, she's not able to join us this evening, but I'll be taking on a bit of her role and sharing Ngurwe Wangizid, Miigwech Wabanung for joining us. And I'm just going to go ahead now and get into Ngurwe Wangizid and Anishinaabe. Ngurwe Wangizid and Anishinaabe. I'm not going to read the English for you. You're, I'm sure, all able to do that on your own. Now, the Benchiged Gisan in Anishinaabe, King, Gibruan Godade, Minudu Wadswin. Shkode, Nabe, Ake, Noden, Gibre Gostonan, Minag, Dwendamang Mang Pish, Kakmagang. The Benchiged Gimi Nan get Stroman book Nishna, Ben Wa, Nagdonjin, Ninda, Nishwaswe, Kidmarwanan. Sargidwin, Dabwewin, Manadandamowin, Nabokawin, the Bodendiswin, Gwerquadswin, Meanwhile Arkadewin. The Benchkid Gimin Guna Deadbinwe with Nogdwindwin. Kamna Dandana Gaba Joebak meanwhile Nungo Megwa Joebak meanwhile Giabe one Joebak. Miigwech. This is the preamble to the Anishinaabe Nation's Chinook Nagawin Constitution as adopted by the Grand Council in June of 2011. It is also related and connected to the UCCM, going to I also have a little bit to share with you about the Anishinaabe Nation Gizomazinigan. So this is where the phrases come from this evening that we'll be sharing. This has been in production now for the last 4 years. We're currently in the process of editing the 2027 edition. So we're looking forward to distributing that once again. All right. Intendum to introduce you to our teachers from Nanot Dugons Learning. On the slide there, you can see that Nanot Dugons Learning was established by Nanot Takes Slots Penguish. This is a language learning school established in 2019. They're dedicated to creating a world where our children can speak Anishinaabe not only in the home, but in the community as well. This involves building the capacity of communities and individuals to speak. They work to deliver synchronous and asynchronous learning opportunities for organizations, communities, and individuals. They also develop digital and physical resources for learners. And not only are they doing all of that, but they're also proud to deliver a full-time Anishinaabe program. All right. This evening we have 3 guest teachers with us. You can probably see some of us on camera over here. We've got Bernice Trudeau. She's an Anishinaabe First Speaker and elder from Wikwemikong First Nation. She's taught Anishinaabe at the school and community levels for 30 plus years. She teaches with patience and love. She's a longstanding helper and advisor to Nanot Dugons Learning, and they're grateful for her review of the November phrases. Her expertise, gentle manner, and wisdom are an asset to learners everywhere. Chimgwech for joining us this evening. We also have Pina Hare joining us from Chagin First Nation on Manitoulin Island. She's a second language learner who started her language journey in 2018 as her children entered the Manitoba Nissing and Anishinaabe Kinamagagamik immersion program. She realized she needed to work harder at her own language learning to speak to them at the level they needed. In addition to being a helper at Nanotagons Learning, Wabanung is also a nurse practitioner, has 4 children, and enjoys carving out time for language acquisition whenever possible. And we also have Marcus Wilker joining us. He's a non-Indigenous learner of Anishinaabemowin from Toronto. He began taking community classes with Nanotig in 2018. 5 years later, he became Nanotig's teaching assistant at the University of Toronto and an immersion facilitator for Nanotagons Learning. He currently works for the Anishinaabemowin Bodaway Committee, supporting language efforts in schools and communities in the Northern Superior region east of Thunder Bay. Chimigwech, to the 3 of you for joining us this evening. We're really grateful to learn from you today. Mahau.
Nahau, I guess that's me, Ani Bojo Kinawea. 3 of us are going to go over the November phrases. The November phrases are all about travel, so we thought that this would be a good idea. We all love to travel. It's also fitting at Nanotagos Learning. We travel all over to deliver Anishinaabe learning everywhere, so it was a good, easy choice and fit for us. Now how? Okay, so the first Kidwinan on November 1st is Jibai Wikinagewin. So Wikinage is a verb that means invite people to a meal. We see the detransitivized form here. Wikinagewin, which we commonly use when we talk about having a feast. So Feast of the Dead, Jibai Wikinagewin. I live across the road here in Chagin from the cemetery, and it was so nice on November 1st to see people going out and visiting their family members and laying wreaths. So very important day for us, Nishnabek. Now how? Number 2, Gishkematna ki nashknadon. Is your bag packed? So I should mention that our words are written in the full vowel form. I'm from Nissing, and sometimes I drop my vowels. So if you were going to say this in the full vowel form, you would say gamashkamat na gigi nashknadon. And all dialects are good. Some of us just have maybe a slightly different one. So the way I say it doesn't line up with how it's written. At Nanotagos Learning, we write everything in full vowel form for good learning. Now how swe gegwa wini ke ga babaya bama madzawin mizinagos. Don't forget your passport. Baba madzawin is a verb for traveling around. So we put this word together to make this word for a passport. So we see an imperative here, gegwa wini keken ga babaya baba madzawin mizinagos. Don't forget your passport. Now how? Niwen, Anishapiche Gabang wa Denizian Ode. And translated into English, how long will you be staying there? Of travel. Now how? Nanen, Anisheshna Kodek Gabeshi Gamek Edenizian. What's the name of the hotel you're staying at? Ali, are you able to adjust these slides as we're going or later?
I can adjust them now.
Okay. So I wonder if this should say we Denizian. So what we're saying here is like, what's the name of the hotel that you're going to be staying at? Yeah, like that. Anishesh Nakadek, Gabeshia Gamek we Denizian. What's the name of the hotel you're going to be staying at? Mi Gwach. Now, how Godoswe, talking about that passport again. Babaya, Baba Matsoin Mizinagas Nagadan. Do you have a passport? Super important for travel. Yeah, that one there. Babaya, Baba Matsoin na Mizinagas na Gadayan. Miigwech Ali. Nishwaswe. Mbegish Minogishigak P na Degushnang. I hope the weather is nice when we arrive.
Nid go sning gyda cydag ego se Amy. Nag sa pina. Nid go sning.
Oh, and Nidagushning.
Eh,
Aha. Oh, Anishinaabe Jamaganashi Gijigat, Indigenous Veterans Day. Opchigwa Chipitan Dagzoat Gondak. I didn't. So this is the day marked on the calendar for Anishinaabe Jamaganashi Gijigat. Now, how? Back to more travel phrases. Ramada Jinkade Gabeshi Gamek Endeniziing. We're staying at the Ramada Hotel. So Ramada Ejnakadek, you could probably put Gabeshi Gamek Endeniziing, where we are staying together. Minwa number 10, 307 Anshkinagunning da Deniz. I'm staying in room 307. So we see that Anshkinagunning. So Anshkinagun is our word for a room. It takes the locative form when it ends in the ing. And 307, right, is the number of the hotel room. Da Deniz, where I'm staying. 307 Anshkinagunning da Deniz. Now, and the next one, November 11th, that's coming up next week. Jamaganashi Gijigat, Remembrance Day. Gawin Kawanen Masi Nanik. Let's not forget them. So we see the root verb there in the middle of that word. Nenim is the root word, and that means to forget about someone. So this sentence is saying, let's not forget about them, lest we forget. How? Boschiganing Kabozame Nano Debugganek. We're getting on the plane at 5 o'clock. Boschiganing Kabozame Nano Debugganek. Boschigan is the word we use for plane. Kabozame means we, including you, we're going to board at this time, 5 o'clock. Now, how? Miigwech Ali. Schwaso de Baganek ka de Gushname. We will arrive at 8 o'clock. So we see 8 o'clock in the front part of the sentence. Pretty important to know what time somebody's going to arrive. So we see that occurring at the beginning of this sentence. Schwaso de Baganek ka na de Gushname. We, not including you, are going to arrive at 8 o'clock. Nishin. Jonya Tage Gamek Temgat, Wede Binja Gabeshu Gamagog. We all love traveling, and we all love when there's a casino there as well. The sentence translated into English says that the hotel has a casino. There's a casino over there at the hotel. So Jonya Tage Gamek is our word for a casino. And temgat just means it's sort of there, it's be available. And wede is our verb for like over there. And this is saying binje gabeshi gamagong. So like sort of like inside the hotel or connected to the hotel. Gabeshi gamek being the hotel and gabeshi gamagong being the locative form in or at the hotel. Shin, miigwech Ali. Bosatone Gamush Gadaman This is a hard one to say. I would probably say gshkimdan, be like a plural form, but in the full vowel form, you would probably say gamash madan. Sorry, can't get my mouth around that one. Bosatone gshkimdan dabaning. Put your bags in the car.
Gamish kamadan.
Gamish kamadan.
Yeah, Mia. Gamish kamadan.
Oh, we're missing a vowel there. Kamadan. There we go. What's the other for
We like put all the vowels back.
that? Yeah, drop them all and put them all back. Now, how? So bosatone, so put them, your bags, plural, in the car. Dabaning, so the locative form of the car there. Mhm. Yeah, put them, bosatone, load them into the car. And then bags, plural, and then dabaning is your word for car. Locative form. Okay, miigwech. The next sentence we have here, Bigiza Guyanan Kibi Don. Did you bring your swimsuit? um, Bigizo Guyana Kibi Don. So Guyan is clothes, Guyanan clothing. And Bigiza is the verb to swim, so like your swim clothes. Did you bring your swim clothes? Now. At Miigwech. Kibidon, did you bring? Miigwech, Ali. 17. Gudapanoji makna kibinok. Well, this translated into English is, did you bring your kids? But if we're going to say, are you bringing your kids? We might say, Gudapanoji makna guibidon. For talking about planning a trip and like, are you going to bring your kids on this trip? We might change that to gui binak.
Mhm.
Now, how? The next slide. Now, how? 18. When pash gi kajeba wisname ode gabeshi o gamagong. We all love a free breakfast. We had a free breakfast at the hotel. So when push is our word for free. Gi kujeba wisneme means that me, not including you, ate breakfast, past tense, over there at the hotel. So ode is our word for over there. And then we see that word occurring lots this month in the calendar, gabeshi o gamagong. Love a free breakfast in the lobby. And then number 19, Biganon Shikan P Bonian, call me when you land. I've also heard this as Biganojishin, call me when you land. So Biganojishin or Biganoshikan. Just Biganojishin is just call me. But this is pretty specific. It says Biganoshikan, call me later. When you land, P bonian. So boni is being the verb there for land in the conjugated form, the be form, yin when you land.
Nam ge goda kedam je pina. Big and shin.
Ah,
Yeah.
biganotion.
Yeah. People in. Yeah.
Now,
Mi wa kon sing da wa idik. Sing ni na goda nueme.
even a giggle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, how? And then the next phrases are going to be covered by Bernice. Gatenchigekwe.
Ni tamna. Na how. Kai ko na sap man da ge ni shot non ge dosi na ka gwe gun din manzin ma ba ka ba tang na ani ga shan kad man we. Transitive. Munjidig go shogan al shi kidwin and grammar. Gai nestat sin ge ni would been da wok na shnobe man. Me a tagi gito. I don't understand the way some of it is being taught today when we're using the grammar to explain it. I guess that's a better way for the new learners to learn. But I have a hard time with it myself, so uh, you wouldn't be getting that from me when I'm when I'm teaching, because that isn't the way I can describe it or explain it. Because it's not I think to understand that. It's harder for a speaker to understand all that. Plus an older speaker who hasn't been in school for how many years now. I know what the terms mean, but I wouldn't even know where to place them because I don't even think about that. Kay makwenzi when I gigit on well as I'm speaking. Anyway, good as I'm done. I'll start now. Um gananin o de bas chiganak en jabuniwat. Gananin o de bas chiganak en jabuniwat. Kananin, I will go get you or pick you up. Ode, there. Bosch Jiganak, airplane, where they land in Djibouti. Maybe I can. Just kidding. No. Nishta na shabejek. Taban ga dange na. Pi to go shnang ode. We will rent a car to go shnang ode when we get there. When we get there. That was forgotten, I guess, in the English translation part. They probably didn't want to use it because you don't want to write everything in English, right, Pina?
Yeah, me too.
Anyway, wow. Kita banano, Ellie. Did you get? Wow. Abjugongi moshkane basha jigan. Abjugogi moshkane, really full. Gi moshkane bas jigan, the plane. It was really full. Some of this I have a hard time trying to place it in English now. Ninuigo, when I'm reading it, it's correct, like when it's translated, but my brain doesn't think the same way, I guess. Naha nishta nashin swe, es nagbeing gi madaban go, es nagbeing gi medaban go me, gi medaban go me. It was a long ride, long flight. Could we also use esnagabengi izigikeme? I should endemic. Yeah.
The kid, the bishko like fly up.
Eh.
System way.
Uh-huh. Gia nishta nashiniwin. Gia be de kos skwa bim what? Skwa mibisoya. Ja, ben de kos skwa mibisoya. Miniget tonegin mananda. Nui ode tome skwa na quick. Nui ode tome, we're going sightseeing. Those two words say that whole thing. Nui ode tome. We are going sightseeing. And you can use those same words to say we're going to town. Nui ode tome. Anything related to going out and seeing things, you would say it the same way. We ode tome skwa quick this afternoon. Skwa quick this afternoon.
Bernice,
What?
I'm still here like pao deto. Nui pao deto me.
Gay go on a cousin, nui pa ode tome.
Uh-huh.
But Nishta sin go oswe. Gíja me wis wisneag. Onige. Wisneag. I nom da zin. I have to take my glasses off. Gíja me wisneag enje gnoenje gazwat Ginago. Gíja me we went. Wisneag animals, which is the zoo. And Chigananchagoswat, where they keep the animals, the zoo, Chinago, yesterday. That's where they're kept. You notice when you're writing sentences, not everything can be translated to exactly fit. So it's describing what they do there instead. Which go on the zoo. Kaya Wesiako de Chigananchagoswat, they keep the animals there. So that's Mia Indigen Codec. That's why it's called that. Nishtanash Nijoswe. Apish Wanje Gishpana doing Gdo Zinegos Minonin. Where are we going to buy the tickets? Zinegos Minonin, I guess the tickets. Apish Wanje Gishpana doing. Where are we buying them? Where are we gonna buy them? Apish Wanje Gishpana doing. 28 Nishtanashe Josue. Anish Pige Matsemagak Mounjedwin. What time does the conference start? What time, Anish P? Ge Matsemagak. What time? Ge Matsemagak to start. Mounjedwin, the gathering, which is the conference, same thing. It's any type of gathering, I guess that's how it would be said, Mounjeding, conference, meeting. Mi go now sapkina. Mounjedot be Matsejik. Nishtana Shajangswe. Temagat na ode Gabeshi Gamagung Dodaban we Skabiganak. This has to be Lori's. Just kidding. Temagat na ode Gabeshi Gamagung Dodaban we Skabiganak. Temagat na ode is there. At the hotel Gabeshi Gamagung Dodaban for my car to be plugged in. We Skabiganak. We Skabiganak. I guess use charger is the same thing. We Skabiganat, right? That means the same. I'm just being very precise with the English wording, translating it. Na haun simda na. Oh, kancha da kishita na ali. How? Simda na. Medaswe shebejek abdek we macha mejanda achkinaganing. Medaswe shebejek abdek we macha mejanda achkinaganing. Medaswe shebejek 11. Abedek have to. We may leave from this room. Shanda Achkinaganing. Nino Yabinanda. Oh. Now. Shangega Magong Jada. Shangega Magong restaurant. Jada. Let's go. Abish Wag Opishwa gabeshing, opish wigabeshing. Dakedam goge. Opish wigabeshing. Mage opish wagabeshing. Go up Joa, mixes, non denendum. Opish wigabeshing, where are we staying? Um, so good. Kababayame bawakting. We're spending 3 nights. So good. Is it 3 days? Ga babayame bawakting. So good. Kabayame. We're spending 3 days. Gabayame is the spending time there. Bawakting is Sault Ste. Marie. Extra sentences, gaige go kijabiti na kedwin na shnabemel. Yeah, but on koch. You know that extra sentences gishabigadek. Gishaganashi Pina.
Nin.
Manda. Extra sentences. When ish gaige kidding ba manda. Yeah, but on koch. Kid.
Ah,
Yeah, but on koch.
should be on, Ali.
Yeah, but on koch.
Okay. Yeah, okay. On
On koch.
sounds like that. On Koch.
Doesn't look great now. Kind of a
No.
2000.
On Koch. Get that out?
Uncut. Yeah, we're uncut. Um,
Come on, put it in the chat. No. Entrepreneur.
Yeah, kaya we go gnom da zina. Mi so je kidan ge go gish ben ya ben it toin gocha when you're adding on catch kidan should be ge. Jermaine dan we kid when Ali on catch. No. And sim dan should win. Um we're going to see the waterfall. We Wamdana. Anish Mandesh Bigadik. Kakop Kong. Kakop Kong. Mino Ejekedang.
Go Cop Kong.
Kakop Gagabik. Oh, Gagabikong. Getting to again done wanda. Gakop Kong. Nui oh Wamdana. We're going to see the waterfall. Wedi dikna gakop ani a kedon mino pinan don me gonna kedwin.
Gino go Cop Kong.
Gakop Kong.
Mixen
Oh, me we waterfall. Cousin cut me. How? Nui o dana. We're going to see. New om dana. Nui o dana. Kayant mi no ni siwe. Waterfall. Nahan sim dana shananan. Gita mus seme. Mi kansan mamak. Gada bebumps. Oh, gada bebump seme. Mi kansan mamak. There's we should walk doesn't stan anywhere where the hiking trails are. Mikasan mamak. Mino should be godegba. Ishpin, there's a hiking trail there too. We could Mikasan ge go there. Mamnon gdakidam kan quick kittigishpin. It changes. Mandashgeish be godeg. Gada bump seme. But must say me, Mikasan mamak. We should go for a walk where the trails are. That's what I'm reading. mi gini in de maje. Gyda moseme, mi consan mamak. Gyda moseme. Aha.
Hey,
Simdana shingo swe. Nish ach kenaganan gigi shkona magome. Nish ach kenaganan 2 rooms. Gigi shkona magome that you reserved, or we reserved. Gigi shkona magome. They left us 2 rooms. Shkunzgan, shkun magome. Simdana she nish oswe. Be mojet, so be mojet tabaning gigi bosme. Nishaing gabeshi gamagung. Maba Bemijueta ban. That's the bus. I went to go Bemijueta ban taxi, bus, shuttle. Mi go now sap. Is it kidding? Bemujeni now. That's what they do. So you can call pretty much anything the same thing. Bus, taxi, shuttle. We'll get on. Nishaing Gabeshigamgung when we're going to the hotel. Nishaing Gabeshigamgung. No? No. Simdanashin Shoswe. Apish Onaksha Wisningaba. Where should we go for dinner? Apish Janaksha Wisningaba. Anengego Kedok. Apish Genje Naksha Wisningaba. Migo Nasap. No. Oh, Apish, where the Naksha should go for dinner. Wisningaba. Where should we go? It's hard for me to break down some of these. We jaganoshi munkidan. Aha, simdana shajangswe. Dom skemat. Bobby chge we dop none. We dop none. What? Bobby chge we dop. No, I'm getting mandan da shikit. Bobby ton. Mashkamat we dop nama. Bobby ton. The mashkamat. We dop nama. No, ma. Bobby ton mashkamat we dop nama. Uh-huh. Bobby ton, I'm waiting. Mashkamat, my bag, luggage. To pick up. We dop nama.
We got in the ma and
Mm.
eight Ali. I mean,
We dop nama. Anyway.
Ma, man.
Ma. We dop nama.
Mong.
Oh,
Is that what you wanted then on there?
Ja, man.
Oh.
Marcus Wintam.
Oh, mindestens.
Miigwech. Okay, number 40. Nimdana. Apta de Bagiswan Ingajita. So the Apta de Bagiswan is the half an hour. Apta is the half, I guess, and then de Bagiswan is the hour. And Nga is the future, like I will be, and then Jita, that's the ready. Gishpin, Dumta Swan, and Dabija. So Gishpin there is the if. And then the verb there to be busy is dumta, dumta. And then the swan there is like me not being busy. So that's like the negative part and the me part. So dumta swan is not busy. And then bija, that's the come, and in da, that's the I would. Da is that would could. Da I would, and then bija come. Oh, obdek. So that's okay. I'll read the whole thing. Obdek nui charge with tone dobiapkons. So that charge with tone, there's a that's like Ojibwified charge. You can't just use English words in Ojibwe because they won't fit. You have to like put the pieces on them so they work. So even if you want to use English in Ojibwe, you still have to add some pieces to make it like work in the language. So yeah, so that's the to charge. Obdek would be the got to. Obdek is like I is have to, or yeah. And then Ndobiapkons, my phone. Biapkons is the phone, and then Ndobiapkons makes it my phone. It's got a
Marcus,
at
you could probably say though, no, I'm gonna get. Oh, but they can we scabby get on.
Skabigan. Yeah, that word we had for like plugging in the car, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, but they can we scabby. That's me and you should kid you coin down. Oh, but they we scabby get on. Dogi get obi up cause joggy magat. Joggy magat. So I have to plug in my phone. Oh, but they can we scabby get on. Joggy magat, it's out of power.
mm,
Me we get kid on ba.
Jagi Magat.
Joggy magat.
Ni bayajge me wabang. So bayajge, that's the shopping. And then the we is the future part, and then the n at the beginning plus the me at the end makes it us doing it. So we are going shopping, and then wabang tomorrow. Okay, and then Anishe Piche Waswang A Tech Shange Gamagong. So that Anish is the question word, I guess, and then kind of together with the Ipichi, kind of it's like how, like kind of how much, I guess. Then wasa means far. Wasa, it's far. Wasa one means like it is far. And then in this form we want it like that it's that far or how far it is. So that's where you get the G on it. Tech is like saying where it is, like that it's located, I guess. And then Shangay Gamagong is the restaurant. So we've seen Gabeshi Gamagong a lot in these sentences, like any kind of building, lodge, could be a gamik. And Shangay means like feeding people, like Indoshama, like I'm feeding him. Shangay, feeding people. So it's the feeding like lodge or building or yeah. Okay, Gada, Jigade Seme Ode. So it's not in English, but in the Ojibwe, this is a we that includes you, like we including you. So that's why it has a ge at the beginning. Ge means you. And then you could see the leg in there, caught in Gadese, walking, and then Ode over there. And then the da there, that's the should. Should, could. So we, including you, should walk, would be that Gada Jigade Seme. And then Ode over there. How? Jigazi being Nui Babam Seme. Or if some people say Ni Pam Seme. So the Zibeng, Zibe, I guess, is the river, Zibe. And then Jig means like by the river, like Jig, like next to it, kind of along the shore, I guess. Jig, Zibe. And then Zibing is like the locative form that we've seen with all these gamagong, the ng endings. That means that that's where we're going to do it, where we're going to do our walking. And then babamse is the verb for walking, and then we is like is a future, right? We want to, we're going to. So nui babamse me, we're going to walk. Okay, 47. Nich kewen mom p and dot nuin queshqua. So Nich kewen is my friend. The N at the beginning makes it my friend. If it was like Guich kewen, your friend. So Nich kewen, my friend. Mompi and dot. The Mompi is here and the N dot is where she lives, where he lives. So Mompi here and dot, like who lives, I guess, who lives there. And then Nuin Queshqua, I'm gonna meet him. I'm gonna meet her. So that like Nqueshko is the verb there, and Nui Nqueshqua is I'm gonna meet him. I'm gonna meet her. Oh. Och Kinnigan, Gawin Tesno, Gabeshi Gamagong. So yeah, this is like not a literal translation. This is just like two different ways of saying the same thing. Like we saw before, something like Moshkine or something when the plane was full. But this is just saying there's no rooms. So Ochkinagan is the room. And then Gawin Tesno, there isn't any. There aren't any. There isn't one, I guess. There aren't them, I guess. Maybe it should be plural. Ochkinaganan. And then Gabeshi Gamagong in the hotel. So there's no rooms available in the hotel, I guess, would be like the literal translation, but probably it's not what you would say in English. In English, probably say the hotel was full. But yeah, in terms of the breakdown, literal translation would be Yeah, there's no rooms available in the hotel, something like that. Oh, um,
Ikaw, Marcus, sabi ko kayo nikit. 나 님다나 ше чосве.
uh,
Nam gego shake that kit. Gawin gego test non. Achkin ganan gbeshi gamugong. Gawin gego test non. Achkin ganan gbeshi gamugong. Gishpend bataman kan goje. Ode gdaket. Gawin gego test non. Achkin ganan. Ode gbeshi gamugong. Mage eta gbeshi gamugong. Gin go on occasion. Uh-huh.
miigwech.
Uh-huh.
But did
So
I
do you
miss
want
anything?
you want the ode in there as well?
Here?
It
Monkey?
depend it depends how you're using it too.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Like if you're at the
talking,
hotel when you said it, right? You could be there and then it's like, oh, they don't have any hotels here, right? Like any rooms here. If
yeah,
you're
or
here.
it's
Uh-huh.
an upcoming trip.
Mm-hmm.
Gawin Gegotes known, and there's a certain hotel that Kanongoya Uyat where everyone's staying.
Mm-hmm.
And then you would say this to them, Gawin Gegotes known Ochkin ganan ode, the Beshigam.
Mhm.
Yeah, yike.
Yeah.
Yike. Yike.
Yeah, that's a good point. Like if when you're translating, people often ask for translations. How do you say this in Ojibwe? Then they give you an English word, but then sometimes you have more questions because often the Ojibwe is very specific about where you're located, where the
Yeah.
thing's located relative to you. You're choosing some specific phrasing like this, so you have to kind of say like you would need to know more to translate it properly into Ojibwe to know like where were you? Were you in the hotel when you said this, or was
Yeah.
uh,
Me go on sick is a kidangwe.
uh,
Me go on sick, it changes. On
mhm.
sick is a kidangego. Depending on where you're at, like you said, location, it changes how you're saying it in the language. Oh, that's not what I mean.
Honey,
Yeah.
we have a question. Amy has her hand raised.
Ani Emi.
Honey.
Ani, Zhao, Indigo.
Hmm?
Can you
Ani
please
Zhao.
say, Ani, can you please say the Anch Kinniganing? Because I feel like there's a part in the middle.
Yeah, it was spelled differently in some of the other examples. So Anch, um, Anch, and then I think it could be kin again.
No, it's och. Oh, och.
Ach, maybe no N, Ach.
Yeah, go ya in.
Uh,
Och kinnagan. Och
Ach,
kinnagan.
Kinnigan.
Och kinnagan.
Miigwech.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that looks better.
Yeah. Sure, commander. Uh-oh.
Okay, 49. Guibosme, Bemijwe, Jimaning, Wijayang, Mnissing. So we had this Bemujwe before. It was like before it was a Bemujwe Daban, which Bernice was saying, that could be a shuttle, taxi, anything that's carrying people. But now instead of Bemujwe Daban, we have Bemujwe Jiman. So now that's making it a ferry. But I guess it could also be like the water taxi or some of those other carrying people boats. We Jia Yang, so that's like to go. Yeah, so I guess there's like if you literally, it would be like to go to the island. And then the Bose is kind of like similar to that. Bose tone was like before we had putting bags in the car. Here's Bose like boarding. So in English, maybe we say we're taking it, but here it's literally talking about getting on it. Gui Bose me, and then this is includes you as well. This is the we. It's not just we are taking, see you later, like you're coming to. Gui Bose me. So that's the we including you.
Keep going. We shying, menacing. We shying, menacing.
Yeah. Jiaying, yeah,
Mm,
could be Jiaying,
mm,
like an I instead of an A there. Yeah,
mm.
menacing. So that's to the island. So the
Because
menace is the island, and then menacing is like to the island or on at the island or something.
in the beginning of that sentence, it's talking about we are doing it. We. Present tense na. We was me. I have a hard time with saying that word. G morning. We shying. We shying. So it has to stay in the present tense. Kadeen. Yeah, it should be gain. Uh-huh.
Okay, 50 non-midna. G manen nda Dwange nda Dwange nanen zagganing. So a downge is the rent. And then da, that's the can part. We could. And then the n at the beginning plus nonen, that's what makes it we. But that's us not including you. So we're gonna rent it, but not you. G-monen is the boats or canoes, yeah. And then Zagagan is the lake, and then ing at the lake. So Zagaganing at the lake.
Wait, the kid winja Marcus na down again on in.
Daonge nanen.
Me go now stop we gonna cause him ba kid win go ya daw machonia.
Wow.
It's to borrow, right?
Uh-huh.
Could I eat min non mit na? Can I borrow $50?
Yeah.
To Daumen, yeah, Daumen. And it's the same. On luego say rent should be got there. But it can also mean to borrow. Shagnashi mangona on kenostrigadek now when you're translating it.
Mhm. Okay. Now we have the same thing in 51, except it's bikes. So Beamsko Webshkiganak da Daunge Nanik Shkori Daban Gamegong. So yeah, the Beamsko Webshkigan is a bike. The plural is Beamsko Webshkiganak. And then you can see that the Daunge changed a little bit. So before we had Daunge Nanin, and here we have Daunge Nanik. So it matches the fact that bicycles have this uk ending, Jiman nun. So Daunge Nanin and Beamsko Webshkigan Nuk. So then that's like, yeah, it's matching to the thing that you're borrowing. And then Shkode Daban is the train. So then like the Shangegamik or like the Beishigamik. So that's what the gimmick there is, making it the station. And then it's got a locative ending ong, that's like at the station. Okay, 52. Gizag tone. Ga Denin Guamya. Guamya, I think it is. Gabeshi Gamagong. Apchigi Gchez Janagut. So Zagatone is loved it. So in Zagatone, I loved it. And then that's the sleeping somewhere, I guess. Dening Guam. And then the yang is me. So in Ding Guam Yang. God Ning Guam Yang would be like meaning that I had slept or like where I slept. And then Gabeshi, here we have this Gabeshi Gamagong again at the hotel. And then Chejinagut is the fancy. So it was really fancy. So I loved sleeping sleeping there in the hotel. It was really fancy. The opposite would be the really part. Opjigi Chejinagut. It was very fancy. It was really fancy. Okay, 53. Anish Ansa de Buganek, Gob Skabian, Gabeshi Gamagong, de Bekong. So Anish, this is the question part, the what plus the question mark, I guess, the Anish there. Ansa de Buganek is the what time. So Anish Ansa de Buganek, I guess the whole thing would be what time. Gob Skabian. Skabi is the returning. So Gob Skabian, did you return? Did you get back? Yeah, Gabeshi Gamik is the hotel. Gabeshi Gamigong to the hotel. And then Debekong is last night.
Marcus?
Yeah.
Anish ga Sadabaganik. Anish gan Sadabaganik. Because it's already
It
happened
was
in the past. Anish gan Sadabaganik.
So maybe change that E in Ansa to Gansa. G-A-K.
Anish
Gansa.
ga Sadabaganik.
Yeah. Gansa. Yeah. Maybe there's no N. How do you say Gansa? Or is there an N?
Anish gan N
Gansa is still an N. Okay.
Yeah. Anish gan Sadabaganik. Gi Gib Skabian.
Gib Skabian. Okay.
Gib Skabian. Gabeshi Gamagong. The Bekong. Yeah.
So like the literally one would be kind of like, what time was it when you got back?
Yeah, or it can stay the same in English. Yeah.
But just
Quinoa.
but just understand why we want to have a ga there, because it was that time when you did that thing.
Yeah, Anish gan Sadabaganek. What time was it? Yeah, when you got back to the hotel.
Okay. 54. Inga Paya Nimki Wikwidong Gain Bimisek. I'm gonna be in Thunder Bay next week. So Baya means like I'm gonna be around there. I'm gonna be around, I guess, in Thunder Bay. So Nga is I will be. Baya, like around, be around there. Nimki Wikwidong, Thunder Bay. And Gain Bimisek is next week. Oh. And then 55. Gada Naquishko Doddying. Pidagoshna Odenang. We should all get together when I get to town. So Naqueshko, we had that Naqueshko before was meeting. Naqueshko Dadi is like meeting each other. So we should Gda Naqueshko Dade. It should be me at the end.
That's what I was
Gda
gonna say.
Naqueshko Dade me. So we should get together. We should meet each other. So when? Degoshina. So when I arrive, or I guess it could be Degoshina when I get. Yeah, get. I guess that could be the I get. And then Odinang to town. Okay, 56. Ngi uni ken do wiukwan bemiljue dabaning. So here's that bemiljue daban again, bus, taxi, shuttle, anything, the car that's taking people around. Ngi uni ken, I lost it.
No, I forgot it.
Oh,
Gi not stone. If you lost it, you not stone or ngi webinon. You can use either or. But ich bin das if you forgot it if you forget something somewhere, ngi nen done. Nui kon. So I don't know which one you wanted to use there, lost it or forgot.
Yeah, when Ken was like you left it there, like, and you forgot to pick it up, like me know it.
Yeah.
Yeah, when Ken, I forgot it there.
Yeah, I forgot.
And then Weekwan is the hat, and Do Weekwan my hat. And then yeah, that Bemiljue Dabaning is on the bus. So the ing at the end is what makes it like the on the bus part. Otherwise it would be Bemiljue Daban, it's just the bus. 57. Bidon Gijo Guyonan. Kabingech Gishpin. Bidon Gijo Guyonan. Kabingech Gishpin. So Bidon, so the whole thing, bring warm clothes, otherwise you'll be cold. Bidon is the bring. Gijo Guyunan, we had like Pina had an example with Begizo Guyunan, the bathing clothes, but this is the warm clothes. Gijo is the warm part. Kabingech, so that verb bingedje is like being cold. Kabingech, you'll be cold. And Gishpen, we had a Gishpen before meaning if, but this Gishpen at the end is the otherwise. Kabingech Gishpen. Mzinigansan, Dana, Jigana Wabendamang, and Jajosh Guading. So Mzinigans is the ticket. Oh, we've got tickets for the hockey game. So Mzinigans is the ticket, Mzinigans son, plural tickets. Dana, we've got them. Maybe we should see Dananen. If it's If it's plural tickets, then da non in at the end. Jig and a wobmong, jig and a wobndong, jig and a wobndamong. Sorry, there it is. Jig and a wobndamong. To see the to see it, I guess, to watch it.
Jiganop Mungwa. Jiganop Mungwa. Because you're referring to as people. Bemotse Jigna. Jiganop Mungwa. To watch. Jiganop Mungwa.
Like to watch them.
Jiganop Mungwa.
Maybe two A's on there. Gua.
You would take out the Ali, take out the N and D, I think. Chiganwab Mung Gua. Chiganwab Mung Gua. Mia. Chiganwab Mung Gua. Esho squadage. Esho squad. Inje. Oh, Becca. Zene gonna sing Dana and Chiganwab Mung Gua. Oh. Oh. Becca, we should be as it again. Zene gonna sing Dana and Chiganwab Mung Gua. Esho squadage. You know what I mean? Esho squadage. Sorry. Gian stond kennen we zeggen. Oh boy.
That work.
There we go. So now we're watching the people. We're watching the skaters. We're watching the hockey players.
Yeah. There's a
So
squad
like,
the one
yeah.
skating, right. Yeah.
So to watch them, those skaters.
Yeah. Those skaters. Wonder if they'll ever ask me again. Just kidding.
Mina way. Mina kina.
Oh, I'm still having an issue here, Marcus, with one sentence. Oh boy. I just
Bill?
cannot walk away without saying anything.
Which one is it?
No, I'm 57. Bidon gishoguenan. Gabin getchgispen. Bidon gishoguenan. So when I hear that first part, bidon gishoguenan, it sounds plural to me. And then when I'm reading the second part, it's singular. Knasta twimna. Kabin getchgispen. Like you're only talking to one person in that second sentence. But in the first part of it, it's like you're talking to more than one.
Mhm.
You get what I'm gonna start to? Yeah.
So Gabin get Jim or something like you guys will be called.
If you want to make it plural or leave it singular, but one of them, kwianstun, abdek is bigadek. So bidon, gisho goen, Gabin get gispen, mage bidon gisho goenan. Kabin gejim gishpin, if you want it plural.
So probably the easiest fix would be just to okay, yeah. Kabin get Jim, maybe it could be a J. Kabin get.
Yeah, probably. The easiest fix, Marcus.
I was gonna say the easiest fix was the other one, making it just one close, but
I'm having fun, but it's also making me really proud to see how well these two are doing now. Because
good.
in such a short amount of time, it seems. Mommy them. How?
Good. Okay, then 59. Gi zeg bedabanik go bem bizawat bemijwe daban.
Gi. Giseg Bedabanek. Giseg Dabanek. Giseg
So
Da.
no B there.
Kaya, tayo yung B.
Yeah.
Giseg Dabanek. Go.
So that's the scary Gizek Dabonik. Uh, Nick. Yeah, I guess it's his something like his scary driving or something. And then Bam Bizawat was like the driver, I guess. And then Bamujui Daban. So here it's a taxi. So another time, like that was the same word that was a bus before, but in this case it's a taxi. So that's the taxi driver. And then that's the scary. And then I guess the gua is the ever, like intensifying the scariness. Yeah.
Or you could say Owa there. Giseg Dabanek. Owa. Owa. That person.
Gua.
Owa. Yeah.
Okay, number 60. We bois debnaman with Chiakzuin. I feel like this is missing something like
Marcus.
this is saying like not to get sick, but I think it should be something about did you get a needle or so it should have like Bedakwa or Jobnigan or something.
Erin has her hand up. I just unmuted.
So for number 59, could you add like an ish to the taxi driver Zegada Bonnie Gish? That like that darn taxi driver?
I don't know how that works with Bembizawat. If like I don't know. Bernice, can you say Bembizawat dish? Or how would you put that ish on?
If you're driving, if you're with somebody and they're giving you a scary ride, you could say to that person, Zegdabash. Zegdabash.
Zegadabash.
Yeah,
So you're
because they-
scaring me.
Yeah, you're scaring me because of how they're driving. Zegdabash.
Okay.
But
I'm just asking because today we had a lesson about like that darn cat or that darn dog, and then we added like Nemo chance ish big
yeah,
or
like the
something.
pejorative form of
Yeah.
it, right? Yeah.
Me, Bernice.
I know, right?
You said pejorative.
Oh my goodness, I said pejorative. Yeah. Yeah, I remember pejoratives. Of course. And the Bishkun Nimshish, because I heard that a lot, when my dad would get mad at the dogs. That's what he would say to them, Nimshish, and a lot of other things I won't get into, but that's one of the things I remember when they would use that. Yeah. Nam Shigo, if you want to talk specifically about that driver, you would be gender specific then. To say Gisega Nekwa Nini-ish or in that sense, right?
Miigwech.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so how do we correct this last sentence there? Because
Yeah, I think we need to say,
actually
did you get
asking
the
that
needle or
question.
something? Like it's because it says like I think this is explaining why it's like it's a vaccination. It's like the needle, but this is the like not to get that disease. But it feels like it's missing the beginning. Like, did you get the needle not to get the disease, or were you like injected not to get the disease? It should have some. How do you talk about getting a needle? maybe Pina.
Okay. Ki 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 na
Kibita Kago na. Did you get
Eh.
injected or did you get jabbed?
Kibita na. We Kibita na. Kibita na. We walk che Akasiyin. We walk che Akasiyin. Akasiyin.
So yeah, I guess we don't need the deb naman.
Eh.
We bois, and then we don't need the we either. So we can just say getting sick instead of getting the sickness. We can say che akaziyin. Like so you don't get sick.
We boa che Akasiyin. Yeah, ni benogoshe go da shibiga there. You can add so much, so some gonna I think. And I think it'd be too much. Keep it a cut. So this one just says, did you get your needle, right? Keep it a cargo, no? We bought Augustine, so you don't get really sick. And so to a speaker, I think if someone asked me that, I would understand what they're saying. Ich bin Gwajmina. That's me goimnik trip sick.
Good.
Yeah. Me
Oh, me gut.
No. Miwe. Here's the next slide for those remaining audience members out there. Go na gui gugwechim. Oh, I see a raised hand. Marcy's gonna help you out and activate your mic.
Yeah, I allowed you. You just have to unmute. There you go, Amanda.
Anin Ecuador young, like my phone is dead. Ojibwe or my phone died.
Gin bomagat. Gin bomagat. Gigi.
My phone. E.
Gi. Nabomagat. Nabom. In bomagat. Dogi dobi opkons or dobi opkons.
I'm gonna skip that part.
No. Yeah, but been anyway if someone else has their hand up. Unless they just me no way. Where did the other two, where did Marcus go?
Lovely.
He's still there.
Where did everybody go?
Just lost everybody now.
I know. Me no way, that we have a week where they see. Diego.
All right.
I guess not, eh?
I don't know. We're waiting patiently to see if there are any other
Aye,
questions that pop up.
Yeah.
And then I copied and pasted this version of phone.
No.
Okay, we
Elaine.
got another hand up.
Yeah, Elaine, you can unmute yourself there.
Oh, nika guata, hande wanjig. Ita nika gwen setoy na mei. Han kainwaig. Kines the toy?
Nakunis to go. When it Sing mon pina king and do nueme. At your boy adawa mi no bod wada mi. Swe neon antenon. Sing the nueme. Quinoa das.
E ing don't you look kami goning shigo ing 3D3.
Oh. Gnes dat ton go kena gi shwein, gi gedain. Nes dat tami gedain. Kinsa stoi mena.
Good thing din na dam e itin toy nim Sandy Bay, Manitoba. Ke gonna sob
Oh.
10,000.
Oh.
Did shinabem panabel nishnabem.
Oh, neshen.
Gikina magya ya nishnabem one.
Oh. Nishnabe mok na gnichonsak.
Bawin.
Oh.
Neset mob tashwinigo.
Oh. Shin.
Me watch.
Mi gwed.
No, just money with the mama. Ashani Jwasot Stababona.
Oh.
Mine option is to taxi in the Machime Gobmig.
Oh.
Oh my god.
No, mi gwed.
Right. I don't see any other hands up, and in scanning the chat, I'm not really seeing any other questions. We got that was fun, and a thank you out there, Miigwech.
It was so much fun.
Everyone good.
Yeah.
Well, get you Miigwech, Bernice, Peanut, and Marcus. We had a lot of fun tonight. It's always great to get together and share the language. Thanks to everybody who has joined us. And thanks to Marcy for supporting us tech-wise. If you have any questions about the webinars or about the calendar, you can reach out to myself, Ali Darnay, or to my colleague, Lori McLeod-Shabagishik. She was able to jump in there this evening for a little bit and join us. So feel free to reach out to either of us. Otherwise, we just want to say thank you again for joining us and sharing the language. It's much appreciated. Keep up the good work out there.
Miigwech, Ali.
Miigwech, Ali.
Miigwech.
Bama gigi no Marcus Pina.
No. Bama.
Bama.